Hi, I'm Tom from audac. I'm here to guide you through the online video trainings. In this video, we will be looking at the AMP523 web-based mini stereo amplifier. Now, due to the amount of content, I will be splitting this video up into parts. In this particular video, I will be giving a basic rundown of all the functions and features the AMP523 has. What makes the AMP523 so special is the controllability via its own web interface, audac touch, and wall panels, making it a very flexible product. You have wall panel inputs, 4 line inputs, and 1 mic input. You have line level outputs and a Class D amplification of 15 watts stereo. It has a standby function, and it is also Energy Star labeled. This all is housed in one very compact chassis so that it can be mounted in a 19-inch rack, in a closet, or underneath a desk, making it a perfect product for small shops, offices, man caves, or simply to convert any audio system to be web controlled. Let's take a tour of the AMP523 and see what functions it has. It has an 18-pin Euro terminal block for the inputs and 1 line output, a 4-pin Euro terminal block for its outputs. Now, spinning around to the backside of the device, you will see an input for its 24-volt DC switching power supply, which is of course included. It has RG45 connections for its peripheral devices, such as the WLI, the WMI wall panel inputs, and the MWX45 wall panel controller. It even includes a connection for RS232, an Ethernet connection for it to have full controllability from anywhere you like. And in the next video, I would also like to show you a bit more about the peripheral devices, such as the WLI, WMI, and WMX we've just talked about.